Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by checking the system tray. Click the upward arrow and locate the Google Drive icon so you can control it. Once visible, make sure you save and close any documents currently syncing. This prevents partial uploads. If you use multiple accounts, note which one is active because signing out or quitting affects that account specifically. After confirming these prerequisites, you're ready to take the first actionable step. Open the app menu from the Drive icon so you can stop syncing and sign out. Now you'll pause syncing and disconnect the account. Click the Drive icon, open the three-dot menu, and choose Pause Syncing to halt transfers immediately. Next, go to Settings and open Preferences to access account controls. This is where Drive stores sync rules and folder selections. Within Accounts, select Disconnect Account or Sign Out. This severs the link between your PC and cloud storage. Make sure to read any prompts about local file behavior so you understand whether files remain locally. Finish by fully quitting the app. Right-click the Drive system tray icon and choose Exit or Quit so the background service stops. If the icon isn't visible, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager, find Google Drive FS, EXE or Backup and Sync, and End Task to force stop. Make sure to restart your PC if processes persist. If quitting fails or Drive reappears, reinstall the app or remove it via Settings right arrow apps. Make backups of important files before drastic steps to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.